Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed watching this video. And let's go ahead and get started. So the most popular video on my channel is the Loewe unboxing video. In that video, I have covered quite a few reasons why I chose a size medium over the size small. And today I thought it would be a good time for me to do a review on the same bag to give you guys an idea of whether I still think it was worth it for me to purchase this bag. So this bag used to retail for $2,480 here in the States. I believe they have gone through a round of price increase, which has surprised me greatly, but this bag now in this size medium, retails for $2,800. I purchased this bag last November during a Black Friday deal that Saks had going. So I was able to purchase it for $500 less. And then I used Ebates, which now is called Rakuten, and got about 12% cash back. So I got it on a pretty good deal. So Loewe is not one of the brands that never go on sale. They do have seasonal sales and they are not included in a lot of the designer exclusions. So be on the lookout and do not pay full price if you can avoid it, because $2,800 is quite a bit of money. So I've had this bag for I guess about 8 months now. And despite the hefty price tag, I have to say this became my favorite bag really quickly. I have the bag in, like I said, size medium. This is the smooth calfskin leather with the silver hardware with some detailing here. If you can see, it kind of looked like gold when I bought it from the store. Because I bought it online, I couldn't really tell whether it was silver or gold, but the hardware is silver. In short, would I recommend this bag? If you're considering it, I would say absolutely, depending on what you're looking for out of a bag. If I were to buy it again, I would still choose a medium over size small. So wear and tear on this bag has been really impressive. Like I said, I took this to Japan. That's where we went on our honeymoon last December. We got married at the end of September and we decided to go on a honeymoon to Japan in December. So I carried this bag thinking, well, I want to be able to carry a whole bunch. I knew that I would carry like my scarf and my gloves. I knew I needed like a bigger bag than just a small crossbody bag. And I didn't want to carry my Louis Vuitton Speedy B that's sitting right over there because I knew it would snow on and off. So I decided to take this bag. For that, because it bumped into a lot of places, I carried it everywhere. The wear has been pretty good. There's some corner wear that's not super visible. So let me show that to you guys. Let's see. There's like a little bit of wear here. It's a little dark, but you can barely tell. You can see it right there. In the back corner here. I've also carried it to work a bunch since I got back. I think I basically used this nonstop for about 6 months. That's the corner again. And there's the corner. And I have put this on, not on the floor necessarily, but on chairs and things like that. So the feet do have a little bit of wear, like scratches and things like that, but it doesn't look too bad. And then just the wear on the leather itself. My dogs did scratch on the side of the bag, I think right here, but you can't really tell what kind of scratches are on the leather. There's some, you can barely tell from, especially on camera. Yeah, so the leather has some wear, but honestly, for how rough I was on this bag, it's been pretty amazing. I think the leather quality is so much better than a lot of the other handbags that I have seen, including fashion houses like even Louis Vuitton. I wasn't really impressed with their Epi leather quality. I wasn't really impressed with Chanel Caviar leather quality. I wasn't really impressed with Prada leather quality. There's a lot of fashion houses that don't really impress me when it comes down to the leather quality, but Loewe does leather really well. You can see and feel how luxurious the leather quality is, and it's awesome. And the bag smells just so good because it's a really good quality leather too. The glazing is shiny more so than the Louis Vuitton glazing, and there's really not much of the wear on glazing at all. It's gonna be hard to see. But really, I think a lot of the fashion houses can learn from their glazing formula and use exactly the same formula because it's been great. And the inside has a light light beige kind of fabric interior. There's not much wear inside, and there's some like ink marks and scratches and things like that here and there, but for how much stuff I've carried and how often I carry this bag, it's really not bad. It has a natural sag now. I'll insert a picture of how this bag was when I first got it. I have carried quite a bit as a handheld bag, so you can see that there's a sag on the side, and there's sag in the middle here, and there's sag on this side as well. But that's how it's gonna wear as you continue to wear this bag. If you carry it on your shoulder though, it's not gonna wear as much. I do carry this bag handheld a lot, so that's what encourages this little dip in the middle. And then this back pocket here was a lifesaver when I went traveling in Japan, because this will carry a subway card comfortably. It would also fit my phone. Hold my phone like this. It fits. It fits, but maybe not with the full case on, so let me try without the case. I had an iPhone 8 going to Japan, and that phone fit well. This is on iPhone XR, whatever the newer one is, and with the OtterBox case, it's hard to fit in the back pocket, but without the case, it even holds my iPhone X in here, no problem. So the back pocket is really convenient because this bag kind of is like a black hole. It doesn't have a lot of organization inside. It has 2 slip pockets, 1 on each side, and the pockets are not very functional because it's made out of fabric. It doesn't hold a lot of shape in it. So for carrying like a train card, it was really convenient that I had a back pocket here because I can get in and out of that pocket really quickly, and I know what's exactly in here. And let me show you guys what it looks like handheld and on my shoulder. That's what it'll look like handheld on the crook of my arm. And this is what it looks like on my shoulder. It will hit on my hip. And great thing about this bag is that you can undo the straps. You can take off the straps. I don't know whether you can see it, but okay, so the straps come undone and you can extend it, and you can totally make it a crossbody if you wanted to. So I did carry this bag crossbody, handheld, and as a shoulder bag while I was traveling. It's super comfortable for you to carry. I would actually recommend this as a travel bag, especially during the colder months, because it holds so much. I did carry this bag crossbody, handheld, and as a shoulder bag while I was traveling in Japan. It's very comfortable. The straps are a huge help because it has the wider part of the strap, which does not exist on the smaller version of this bag. And that makes a huge difference when you're traveling. I will insert the link to the video that I did on the unboxing. That covers why I chose a size medium over a small, so I don't reiterate the same points. But like I said, I would highly recommend this bag. It's a comfortable bag, and like the shade of the brown actually is really gorgeous. It's perfect to be an everyday bag. For those of you who have the Hermes Oran sandals in the color gold, which is the pair of sandals that I have. I also have an unboxing video of that pair of shoes, so I'll link that down below as well. It matches that color really well, so it's a really good summer look. So all in all, I still really enjoy using this bag. I think this is gonna be one of my forever pieces in my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any specific questions about this bag, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.